Hey there, folks. Let's visit CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. Ooh. A subtle egg shape, but the egg parts don't line up. Let's see what we can see here. Let's so this is a nested template, and I'm going to put red on the body and attempt to do the top curves using border radius. Which, who knows? Will it work? I don't know. We need more margin on the side, 7, 8. And then let's see, so 7, 8, 85, 86, 87. And then border radius. Let's go classic 1 inch. No, 50 pixels, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 102, 3, 4, 5, 105. That looks pretty good. All right. I think I'm happy with that. Now, we do have a weird problem in that we need to put a different background on this. So let's try the radial gradient. 1Q for circle. And then this color, 30 pixels, and then transparent. And let's make that radius more. 7, 8, 9, 100, 105. Sure, there it is. And then what we need to do is we need to put it at what? 0, 50%, and then have the width be 100%, and then the height be something like 40 pixels, and then no repeat, or repeat X. That's how we're going to get that. So make it taller, 5, 6, 7, 70. Great. And then we got a linear gradient to round it out. So red, transparent red, 40 pixels, more than that, but I start somewhere. 40, 50, 60, 70, 70. And then we need a height, let's see, 1%. Where do we need this position-wise? Oh, it's at 0. 0, 1%. Pixels, there it is. 100, 20, 30 pixels. No, how about, so 70 pixels, 80, 90, 100. How about 0, 0? Oh goodness. 100 and, is it 105 again? 110. Ah, ha ha ha. So hilariously, that's not what I want. I want to be this, because I don't want to mess up the internal shape. 1, 2, 10, 20, 20. Okay. So what do we got? We have 2 gradients. One is the linear gradient that represents the top and the bottom. And then the other one is this a radial gradient, but it's got 105 pixel radius, but it's only 70 pixels tall, so we only see part of that circle. And that is 100% match. We minify and you replace. We're done for the day. That's great. Super weird, super fun, super terrific. I enjoyed that one. Weird solution to a weird problem. Are there other ways to do this? What if we did this with 3 of those radial gradients? What does that look like? So if we did just this radial gradient, blah, 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 like that, boom, and do there it is. That is in the right spot. I'm going to put this into its own variable. I'm going to say oh, even better. Okay, so the next thing is linear gradient. Blue, or rather transparent blue, transparent. So what is that? 40 pixels, 0, 200 pixels, 0. So I want to fill in the blue parts. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, and then 10, 20, 10, 20, 25. And then we can use that gradient again. So var -g. I need a comma. And if I do -10 pixels, oh no, I need a 0, 20, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, and then the same thing again, +40, and then a background color. So radial gradient 3 times plus a linear gradient to do these lines. That's fine. Minify again, and that's the final. On that, I don't think it's going to be a better score. Maybe it is. Can't tell yet. Yeah, no. So the better score is the 664. This one here. Yeah, a little more complication. I like the all gradient. No margins, no shaping. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Go make a webpage.